Blech. Warning, this video might make you addicted to learning Persian. You've decided to learn Persian? Awesome choice. Whether you're drawn to the language for travel, culture, heritage, or just for the love of languages, getting started can feel a little overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't need a classroom or a thick grammar book to begin. These days, all it takes is a good app and a bit of curiosity. The trick is finding the right one that suits your style and goals. To help you out, we've rounded up some of the best apps to learn Persian, no matter your level or learning preference. First up, we have one of the most well-rounded apps out there, the Ling App. It's super user-friendly and turns language learning into a bit of a game, including interactive exercises, quizzes, and challenges, which is perfect if you want to stay motivated. You can practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing, and it even gives you instant feedback on your pronunciation with its speech recognition feature. There's also a chatbot you can talk to for real-life conversations, so you can practice both listening and speaking abilities. Ling has a free trial for you to check out, so make sure to check out our description below. If you're more into visuals and quick sessions, drops might just be a thing. This app is a visually appealing platform that focuses on teaching new words through vibrant illustrations and interactive exercises and quick games. The app's bite-sized lessons are designed for quick learning sessions, so it's perfect for people who are always on the go and want to sneak in 5 minutes of Persian here and there. If you're interested, there's a free version with some limits, so you can lock everything with the premium plan. Now, if you want something that gives you quick and useful everyday phrases, Mondly is a solid option. This app provides a holistic learning experience by integrating reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises. Mondly offers relevant bite-sized lessons that cover essential vocabulary and phrases. Its hands-free feature allows learners to practice on the go through short, focused lessons. So you can even practice hands-free, which is handy if you're commuting or multitasking. For a more immersive experience, Rosetta Stone is a classic. Rosetta Stone employs its renowned method of teaching Persian through context and visual cues without relying on translation. Instead, it uses pictures and context to help you think in Persian from the start. This technique aims to mimic natural language acquisition, enhancing listening and speaking skills. It's a bit of a different style, but it's great for training your ear and improving fluency. Next up, we got Mango Languages. This app is another standout, especially if you're learning more than just grammar and vocab. It dives into cultural insights and conversational skills, which makes you immersed in real-life scenarios, mastering essential phrases for day-to-day interactions. The app's interactive lessons are designed to build vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and comprehension simultaneously. If you prefer learning by listening, Pimsleur might just be the one for you. Pimsleur is great if you want to actually speak a new language, not just memorize words. Because this app is all audio-based and focuses heavily on speaking and listening, so you get used to using Persian naturally by listening and responding to real conversations. Kind of like how we naturally pick up languages. The lesson builds on each other, so you gradually get more comfortable with speaking. It's especially good for Persian, and since it's hands-free, you can even learn while driving or walking. Super practical and really helps with pronunciation and confidence. iTalki is a game changer for learning languages because it connects you with real tutors from all over the world. You can choose a teacher that fits your style, schedule, and goals, so every lesson feels personal and actually useful. It's all about real conversations, which helps you improve speaking, listening, and overall confidence fast. Plus, you get to learn about different cultures while practicing with native speakers. Whether you need help with casual chat, business language, or writing, there's a tutor for you. Prices vary depending on the tutor, but it's flexible and super personalized. At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to learning Persian. Some people love flashcards and games, others thrive with tutors and real conversation. The great thing is, all these apps make it easier than ever to find what works best for you. So pick one or a couple, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. Persian is a beautiful, poetic language, and every word you learn brings you one step closer to its rich culture and history. Until next time, and happy learning!